Hi everybody, Jeremy here from Video Editor Studio, and today I'm gonna share with you a free title from our cinematic title pack. Let's check it out. Alright, so in Davinci Resolve 17 right now on the edit page, I'm gonna share with you a free title from our cinematic title pack for Davinci Resolve. You can download it by following the link below, and once you download it, you will get a zip file. Just double click on that zip file, it will give you a folder. In the folder you have a couple of things. You have the license instruction, the DRFX file to install, and the fonts. Make sure to install the font first, so select all the fonts and then just double click on it to start the installation process. And then you can install your sample by just double click on it right here, and it will just open that window to install. Click install, and now your sample is installed on your computer. If you go back to Davinci, as you can see, now we have this cinematic title sample that has been added. By going over it, we can see a preview. We're just gonna take it, drag it on our timeline. So here is our title with an animation in. We have also an animation out. You have a couple of parameters here in the inspector. You can adjust the size and position, so we can resize it and change where we want the title to be. We can also obviously adjust the text. We can adjust the font size, tracking if we want to make it wider, make more space between the letter. We can do that. You have text 1, you have text 2. So here we're gonna adjust the tracking also for this one, for example. Perfect. We also have background that basically here, when you raise the opacity, it creates a layer between your titles and your footage to create more separation. So here as an example, I'm just gonna bring an image that is white, and here as you can see, it's not easy to read because the wall is white. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna raise here the opacity, and as you can see, it just brings a solid layer between the title and the wall, and it creates more separation with your title and your footage. You have a bunch of parameters to adjust the position and the size of that background. You can make it, only on a certain area. You can adjust the soft edge. You can adjust the border width. There is a bunch of things that you can try. Here you can also hit invert, for example, if you want to have a vignette around it instead of having a background. There is just a bunch of possibilities. I'll let you experiment with that. And here you have a toggle box animation out. So by default, there is no animation out, but you can just tick that box, and here you will get an animation out. I'm just gonna reset the background again. Here we go. And now if we play it, as you can see, the background is animated with the title, and we have the animation out that go along with it. You can obviously extend this title as much as you want, and the animation out will remain. And you can as well remove it again by toggling the box off. So here we're at the end, it's supposed to be gone. And if we open the inspector and we tick that box again, as you can see, we have no animation out anymore. And that's pretty much it. They are very simple to use. I hope you enjoy the sample. And here, if you want more, you have a full pack with 10 titles that have different layout and animation that you can get on our website. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what kind of pack you would like to see next. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Speed up your workflow and create better videos using the pack available on our website, including titles, transition, and templates, but only for Davinci Resolve. Get started today by downloading our free starter pack containing a compilation of 20 titles curated from our library. Link in the description below or at videoeditorstudio.com.